What now?
I said tell Miss Laura goodbye.
Bye, Miss Laura.
Doesn't that scene just piss you off?
What we first did was find out what type of gun Django was using in the scene. He was using a Remington 1858, which has a weight of .014 kilograms per bullet. Next, we searched for the muzzle velocity. Unfortunately, it was in feet per second, and it was an old gun, so it had various velocities. We calculated the average and converted it to metric, and got 280 meters a second. Now that we had the mass and velocity, we could find the momentum.
Another way the scene is extremely fake is because of the angle she flew back at. We estimated a 100-degree angle at her launch in the scene, but in reality she should have fell directly backwards, which would be 180 degrees. We got this by visualizing the first-person view of Django. We drew the line that the bullet followed and measured the angle she flew back at with the protractor, which matched our estimate of 100 degrees in the scene. In reality, we retraced the path the bullet took with the line and set it on Miss Laura where it landed. The data we gathered from that states she should have fallen back at 180 degrees.
We wanted to find the velocity Miss Laura fell backwards when she got shot. And since she's a pretty tall woman, we estimated her weight at about 110 pounds, which is roughly 50 kilograms. The bullet going into Miss Laura is an inelastic collision, so we needed to draw a momentum-free body diagram. After solving the equation, we came out with a velocity of 1.1 meters a second, which is barely enough for Miss Laura to fall down on her back. We estimated that she flew back 1.5 meters in the movie. This was an estimation, but it seems very accurate.
In conclusion, we have decided that the scene is extremely fake because of the angle and the distance she flew back. She was also off by 1.5 meters and 80 degrees.